Hello, good morning students. On that day I have completed the oxides, nature of the oxide, that is the basic nature of oxide and acidic nature of oxides. Okay, we have completed till here. Now today we will start characteristics of groups. I have tell you before also, groups is 18 groups are there. For this one, first is valence electron is coming. Already I have tell to you, like sodium is there. Sodium we am doing 281. It means one is the valence electron and one is the valency also. If second we will using chlorine 287 means 17 is there. So what is this? This 7 is bigger. What we will do? 7 is the valence electron, but it is not the valency. When we have to find out the valency more than 4, then we have to do 8 minus 7. 7, then it come 1. So the valency is come as 1. This is the valence electron, means the electron which is on the outermost shell, that is the valence electron. Understood this thing? On the back also I have shown you this thing. After this is the group lithium, sodium and potassium 281, 281, 2881. At last you are seeing that 1 is coming. So these are the valence electrons. Okay. And after that we have to find out these things. Please write down in your copy. Okay, by your own words you can write down, you can see it. So this is the valence electron. After the valence electron, this one table also you have to make. This is of group 17 are there. Here they can see all the elements of group 18 have 8 valence electron each in their atom except helium, which was 2 electrons in an atom. So here 2, 2, 8, 2, 8 means octet is fully filled. So here only 2 is left here, that also octet will fill with K, and this octet will also fill. Fine. Next is elements of group 18 are 0 valent having 0 valency. 18 having a 0 valency. After this you can write down this page, please see this, write down in your own words, you can see this also. So you can see the number of electrons here, valence electron is 3, the group number is 3 plus 10. How this 10 is coming? Now you can see here, the group number of elements having up to 2 valence electron is equal to the number of valence electron. Okay, like valence electron is 1, then group number is also 1. Valence electron is 2, then group number is also 2. Valence electron 3, group number is also 3. Now here, how do we plus? The group number of elements having more than 2 valence electron, if the valence electron is more than 2, is equal to the number of the valence electron. Means if it is more than 2, valence electron is more than 2, you can see here it is 3 more than 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, all are more than 2. Then we have to add it with 10 and this value is coming. Okay. So there is however one exception on this rule. The noble gas helium has 2 valence electron, but its group number is 18. So okay, understood the valency. Here I have teach you the valency also. Like for an example, chlorine only I will take, that 287. So 7 is the valence electron. Second we have taken like fluorine I have taken 9. So 2 and 7 is there. 7, 8, 9. We have taken oxygen 8. It will come as 2 and 6. Now beta you can see here. 1 I am taking hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron I have taken 5. So it comes as 2 and 3. Now beta see here. So these all are down outside 1 are the valence electron. So we have to find out the valency. So 3, it is less than 4. So this 3 is the valence electron also and 3 is the valency also. Here 6, 7, 7. So what we will do? For if it is more than 3, then what we will do? 8 minus 6 come as 2. 8 minus 7 come as 1. So valency is 1. 8 minus 7 is equals to 1. So this valency is also 1, 1, 1, 2, and this is the valency is 3. Why it is 3? Because 3 is less than 4, and when it is less than 4, what is the valence electron? Same as the valency. So valency is also over. You can see here also. In group 1 element is 1, 2, group 2 13, 13, group 3, group 14 element is 4, 15 element is 3, group 16 element is 2, 17, 1, 18, 0. Okay, till here understood students. Next is size of the atom we will do afterwards. Thank you students and have a nice day.